Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from class 11 history chapter 8, that is confrontation of cultures. So the question is, what are the new developments helping European navigation in the 15th century? Answer: the existence of European people came to light to the Caribbean and the South Americans only when they started navigating across the Atlantic Sea. Several innovations and developments of the period facilitated these long voyages. First among them was the extensive use of the magnetic compass during the 15th century. So, here from this statement, we can infer that the existence of the people of Europe came to light to the people of South America and the people living in the Caribbean only when they started navigating. And when they started navigating, expensive there was extensive use of tools such as magnetic compass, because compass is used by the sailors to during their voyages to locate places. So when people started navigating and exploring new lands, it is when there was extensive use of magnetic compass. This instrument helped the sailors in finding directions in the middle of the ocean. Second important development was the construction of large ships. These ships helped in easy carriage of huge cargoes and instruments. These cargoes and instruments in turn were used to protect the sailors from the attacks by the enemy ships. The third important development was the widespread circulation of travel literature and books on cosmography that further created interest to venture the sea. Geography became available in 1478 and was widely read. He had arranged the regions of the world in terms of latitudes and longitudes. Here we mean by Ptolemy. He had arranged the regions of the world in terms of latitudes and longitudes. He had also suggested that the world was spherical. Such works indeed helped sailors to treat the unknown sea paths. So from this we get to know there was a lot of development with the navigation. There was extensive use of compass, and and there were books that were written on cosmography. Then people started studying geography as a subject. The regions of the world were started being divided in the forms of longitudes and latitudes, and this is how we know that there was a lot of development. Thank you. For such content, please subscribe to Intellify.